Hello Internet, this video is an Autobox review and first time use of this Drizzle spray gun by Innocraft. Keep watching. Spoiler alert, I love this spray gun. It does everything from spraying primer to spraying base coat to spraying clear coat. Now watch my Autobox review. Now this video is on two playlists on Scott's Garage. It's on the tool review playlist, but also the Jeep project playlist, where my 90-year-old father and I are doing a complete frame-off restoration of our 1946 Willys CJ2A. And in that project, I'm about ready to prime it and then to paint it, and I'll be using this Innocraft spray gun to do it. I'm real excited about this gun. I have not used it yet, but I've watched a lot of videos on it, and it comes with a lot of extra things. So let's take it out of the box, and at the end of the video, I'll spray the rims using this gun to test it out. Now, Innocraft is not sponsoring this video at all. I will put an Amazon affiliate link for your convenience in the description below. And if you look at this video and think that you'd like to purchase one, if you use my link, eventually Amazon will send me a portion of that sale, but it's simply there for your convenience. I do have a sponsor though for the Jeep project on Scott's Garage, and my sponsor is Kaiser Willys Auto Supply, and they've been just a wonderful sponsor of this project. And if you have any part that you need for your Willys Jeep, or parts plural, please shop at kaiserwillys.com. Use my discount code SGarage for 10% off your order. This includes most items with the exception of tubs, tub kits, and tires. And by using SGarage, you help support the Jeep project on Scott's Garage. Now let's take this low volume, low pressure spray gun out of the box. Now, truth be told, I've already taken it out. I've already looked at this gun. I watched all kinds of videos, YouTube videos on the gun, and it was because of watching them that I decided that I needed to purchase this. It's very reasonable. I was able to get this for about $90 on Amazon, and it comes with a lot of extra things. So, you know, it's a lesser expensive spray gun, but it is really quality. I've used several spray guns over the years, and this one, just I can tell that quality was put into the design. So it's just a nice fit. I'll be going through all of these things here in a minute. But right away, you can see some extras. So here is a pressure gauge, and it is designed for this low volume, low pressure gun. The green area is the pressure you want to maintain as you're pulling the trigger. It also comes with it a oil water separator that's in line, and this is meant to go just right below the pressure gauge. These alone can cost anywhere from $10 to $20 on Amazon. Again, it looks like it's good quality, and it's made by Innocraft. All right, standard tools, so two different types of brushes and a wrench for the gun. There's a record sheet here for types of paint that you're using. It comes with a standard cup by Innocraft, and I'm not going to be using this, but it definitely comes with it. Some Teflon for adding on the parts below the gun. But to me, this is what's the most amazing thing about this gun, is that in addition to coming with the air pressure regulator and the oil water separator, there are three different nozzles and also needles that come with this. So there's a 1.3 millimeter, a 1.5 millimeter, 1.7 millimeter. So you can spray a variety of types of base coat, clear coat, and even with the larger size, some primer will work well. And that's all in this kit here that comes with it. So the gun itself has the standard size needle and nozzle, and this is the 1.3. But in addition, in this kit, you have the other two that are there. And not only do you have the nozzles, but you have the corresponding needles that go in to each of the nozzles. So one there and one here. I mean, that, to me, that's quite amazing. It would be this versatile. And in addition to this part of the nozzle, you obviously also have this part, which is where the needle goes through with the corresponding size. There are a variety of air hookups to this gun, but also this. So this is a paint cup adapter. So what this does is it will screw in here, and I'll use some Teflon tape for that. And then you can use the high efficiency cups. I think it's 3M has the patent on it, but you can get these extra cups at Harbor Freight, and they're disposable. They have the liner and the filter built in, a large filter. And after you're done, you can take them off, and there's a cap. You can reuse them. So this is really handy. This adapter alone can be between $10 and $20 on Amazon. So I like what I see, and I will be setting this gun up, and I'll be spraying the rims a Harvard Red. Okay, here I'm using the Drizzle for the very first time. Now I'm kind of old school. I'm used to one-step painting systems. So here I put on a tack coat, just a very light coat, and then I'll follow up this tack coat with 3 wet coats. I'm not going to show you all the wet coats, but that's what I did. Please notice as well that there's one rim that's white, and it's a little bit whiter. The Jeep came with 4 rims, the original rims, but I needed a 5th rim for the spare, and I couldn't find one the exact same size. And according to the person I ordered this from, it should work just fine with the same size tires, and we'll see. I hope so. But the Harvard Red sprayed on beautifully. So here I changed the needle and the nozzle for urethane primer, so it's the 1.7 millimeter, and I sprayed on 2 coats of the primer, and it sprayed on likewise just beautifully. Here you see the first of the base coat, first wet coat, and went on very well. 0 runs. Here's the second coat. And I really can't say enough good about this Drizzle gun. It can do everything, and the base coat, second coat, likewise, no runs at all. And I was just so thrilled as to how well it sprayed on. Notice as well that I'm wearing a respirator. It's called Cool Air. It's very old. I bought it years ago on eBay, but it works really well. So a constant source of fresh air. It's important to have a good respirator when you're using these automotive paints. So here it is. What do you think? I love it. This gun does everything. I was able to change the needles, spray the primer, spray the base coat. I have not sprayed clear yet, but I'm confident that this gun will handle it. No runs whatsoever. I am so pleased with this gun. Yeah, if you're interested, there will be an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. Hey, if you got any value at all from this video, please give me a like. It costs you nothing, but is a great value to me. And as usual, have a great day.